All right, so look, you guys, show you what's going on real quick. We are working all this stuff over here in the corner. So, a couple things I needed. We need a small little 1/4-inch guy, okay, fitting all the grooves. We then kind of flatten that out just a little bit. And I use this guy's perfect to sit here and back butter these. Look, check it out. Just get you a little bit on there. Just like this, work that around. That looks pretty good right there. And then it's just playing Tetris, just like the floor. So you all remember, we had all these numbered. Take a little block right here, man. Flatness is the key to one another. And we want to shake those in, make sure they bond real well. And then look, keep you a flat head here. We always keep a rag and soapy water nearby. So take you that little guy right there. And I know this is a lot of time. It's worth it though. So look, by dragging this around, getting that thin set off, it's just going to create a stronger bond per tile. Just like that. I know it's tedious, but it's going to be so worth it. And then all that up there, so we're going to come up here and join that. And then look what Billy's got going on up above you. That guy. Show him where it hits the wall, Tom. Yeah. This is no doubt probably this is our favorite part. All this little small, detailed little things right here. It's our favorite part by far. That and I'm in timeout. Tom won't let me out. Get in the corner, Eric. I'm in the corner. I couldn't be more in the corner. Look at that look though, coming down. And then these are just all hand-picked and put in one by one. Rocking that all the way up. We'll start this other side. And we've got a couple of them we're going to fold right into the corner. Super sweet, man. Super cool. Oh yeah, man. This one's going to be super, super cool. Yeah, it's sharp. I love how that beam hits that tile. Just beautiful. Y'all, we're going to be bringing that niche in here early next week. We already got our inverter plate on, set. So we're getting there.
I can. My wife will know that.
Hey, happy Memorial Day, you all. We'll see y'all back real soon with the next one. Billy, quit looking at me like that, bro. Till the next one, you guys. Have a great weekend.